Welcome everybody. Hello there. Oh, I forgot to put on the soundboard there. Welcome. How's it going? What's happening? How's everybody doing? The X-Punisher. Hello there. Good morning. Winner. Hello. Enrico. Welcome back. Hey, I'm doing great. Thank you. Doing great. How are you guys? How's everybody? Any trades so far? I wasn't actually sure if I'm gonna stream or not, because you know we're gonna have NFE news release at 8:30. So what can we do until then, right? So this might gonna be like a short stream or something. I don't know. We'll see. Good morning, Road. Hello. Doing good? All right. Good to hear. So, what is happening so far? Any trades since the Asia low has been broken? I'm wondering if some of you guys took some shorts earlier. Maybe not, right? All right. So far, a consolidation is what we see. So nothing. Yeah. So I just wanted to do a quick recap, like what is going on in this range. So far, consolidation, we all know it, yes. But what about gold? I think the better, or let's just say, well, it could be interesting for gold, that's for sure. I'd like to see it go higher. Actually, hold on a second. Hold on a second. Yeah, I got it. All right. Good morning, Clarity. Hello. London session, it wasn't so good. It wasn't so. I got a little bit. I got chopped up just a little bit with micros. It wasn't like a big deal, but ended up with a relatively small loss. And you know, it is what it is. There was yeah, on NQ, I got chopped up here in this area a little bit. So yeah, I just let it go then. I thought that we're gonna still go higher and we're gonna go for the supply zone up there, but we didn't, which is okay, I guess, in a certain point, or until a certain perspective. So yeah, it is what it is. So how you guys are doing? So this wasn't really the thing I was looking for. Yeah, it hit the stop loss. Yes, yes. It hit the stop. It is what it is. We're moving on. So it was actually choppy. I was so committed to go up there to that supply zone. But yeah, there was a breaker here. 5-minute, 15-minute bearish breaker setup, kind of looking good for the Asia low. So that was a nice one. For those who took the short, that was the right choice to do. Chop City, yeah. Yeah, Chop City, the only move so far is that the market going lower down to 102. And yeah, we swept some levels. And so far, I wasn't even sure if I want to come up to stream or something, because there's not much to do, to be honest. Usually K-Bell, I usually the thing is, my segment was at MyFunded TV was at 11:30, so I was able to stream here on my channel around 9:30 or earlier, you know. But I've been put to the 9 a.m. segment at MyFundedTV, which is awesome. And because I start 9 a.m. at MyFundedTV, I thought that why not check out the early New York session around 7 a.m. or 7:15 Eastern Standard Time, because there are setups between 7 to 9, you know. Yeah. It's all right, Clarity. Don't worry about that. It's listen, it's in the cards. We can't win every single day. It's fine. Yeah, most likely. I think it's pretty much gonna go sideways. So I have a huge dilemma right now if I should even put on any amount of trade, even a scalp. I don't think it's the right thing to do. Yeah, but we'll see how it goes. Pretty interesting so far, but nothing is happening. I mean, it's not that interesting at all, I know. But not much is happening. So, what should we do? What should we do? I guess we should put on a trade, right? Hold on. What do you guys think about this NFP news? Anyone is hooked onto gold? Look at that. It's just going to go higher. It's amazing. It's amazing what gold is doing here. Absolutely amazing. Ba-da-da-dum-bum. Maybe what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab some Bulenox accounts. The full port. No, I'm not gonna do that. Don't worry. We're not gonna do anything like that. Hold on. Look at gold. Wow. It's going. Unstoppable. Absolutely unstoppable. Hey, Caesar. What's up? Good to see you. How's it going? How many trades you take in a week? Well, in the past 1 or 2 weeks, that was a little bit more than I wanted to. For example, on Monday, I think I took, or Tuesday, I think I took on 7 trades in one single day. Usually, I try to aim for like 2 trades a day, 3. You know, that makes like anywhere between 15 to 20 trades a week. I would say so. But this week, I was a little bit busy, more than usual. Goal would be to narrow it down as much as possible, but yeah. Trading star. I want it that way. How is everybody doing? Trading star, what's up? Usually 50-50%, you know, Satish. Sometimes I do scalp when the conditions are good for scalping. Swing trades also. I would love to do more swing trades, like intraday swing trades. Hey, what's up? Good morning. You got some promotion with new YMR platform? No, I don't know. Are they new? Construction is doing good, Greg. The house is actually ready. You guys should see it. A huge building. Thanks for asking. Where have you been, man? Haven't seen you. Were you here? I don't remember. Where have you been? Nice. Long time, Greg. What happened? I was like, hey, the other day I told everybody, you know, there was a guy always asking around, you know, I don't know where he is. I think I need to call someone to look around. Where have you been? What's up, the Exponisher? What's up? Yeah, who knows? Right? Who knows? What's up with me? What's with my connection with Apex? I need to reconnect. Let's connect to Apex. I'm using the European server. I don't know if it's a wise choice or not. I think gold is well, I wouldn't be surprised in a spike higher. Let's just say that. So wouldn't be surprised at all. I might put a small gold trade on, maybe. I don't know what would be, but I like to go long, so you know, to the 90s. Can this one go? Of course it can. Yeah, I took a long position on gold. I might add to it. Depends how it goes. Where is it? I have so many. Hold on. Oh, here it is. So we'll see. By the way, yeah, I'm using Quant Tower. Yes, Jonathan, yes. Joseph, Jonathan, Joseph, Jason, some of those. It's so bad I don't see your custom names. I gotta write to YouTube again. Like, what is going on? Some other Jonathan, yes. But you know, other Methodical Man's YouTube is showing the custom names. Some other people's YouTube in the chat does not show the custom handles. What the heck is going on? I need to put it back. But I did everything. I tried everything. I refreshed the streaming keys, the software updated. I reinstalled Streamlabs. I did everything, and it's just not putting it back on. Yeah, I don't know why it's happened. I don't know. I actually wrote an email to YouTube to explain it. Like, how can I put it back? And no reply. So I just got a ticket number, and that's it. No. Great support, YouTube. I tried everything. I went through troubleshooting. Actually, it took me like hours. I tried I reinstalled everything. New stream keys, new everything. Refreshed everything. Updated. Total, I don't know. I don't know what the heck. I don't know. I know. Everybody's missing. Ah, you're watching the streams? Ah, Greg. That's awesome, Greg. So good to see you, by the way, back again. How is life treating you nowadays? I hope everything is fine. I hope health is fine, you know, financials are fine. You know, health is the most important. Okay, yeah. So gold is a little bit tricky, but anyway, everybody's gonna wait for this one. It's gonna be quite amazing. I know everything is much better. Awesome. I'm glad to hear that, man. Now I'm not building a house. Our neighbor, there's a neighbor anyway on the other side of my apartment, and they are building basically they're building a castle there. Really, it's gonna be it's gonna be a monstrosity, a huge house. It's not even a house, it's actually a villa. That's what they're building. Yeah, it's a huge villa. It's not even a house. They have a swimming pool, but you know, not outdoor swimming pool, but they have a separate compound for swimming pool, and they have like huge garage, like 5 cars can get there. And it's a huge villa. It's a huge construction there. Yeah, I mean, it's true. I can show you guys. I can show you. Where's my droid camera? I can show you if you want it. Huge construction. Yes. The neighbor is actually Thompson. Yeah, I wish. Richie Rich. Yeah, maybe, but it's like huge construction there. You know, last year Greg was here. I showed like there was just a huge ditch there. Basically nothing. Oh, now I don't know. I think he's disappeared. He may be a little bit depressed about the weather because, you know, what to do now. By the way, I don't know if you guys noticed that, but I'm using a brand new webcam. It's the one I got from anyway, it's the Terry got the same one. It's a little bit more expensive. It's a Sony, what's it called? I don't even know. I forgot the name. Sony ZV-1 F, I think. Yeah. So this is the one I have. Oh, you don't see it, right? So this is the Sony ZV-1. This is the it's a ZV-1F that I'm having. It's an entry level camera, but I'm mostly using it for webcam. You know, I'm not using it for vlogging. I'm using it for streaming. So, but it's cool. It's kind of cool. The image quality, I mean, I'm actually testing it. I don't know if it's gonna be able to stay like this, because I don't even know if it's overheating or not. Okay, not yet. I know. But yeah, it actually it gives a much, you know, cleaner look. Everything is cleaner. Like the old webcam is definitely more like, I don't know, crispier or something. So now this one gives a much cleaner look, right? I know I look much younger right now. So anyway, let's go back. So it definitely has a much cleaner look than the, you know, the other webcam was like $20. Now this camera is like, I don't even know how much is this. It's like a few $100s. It's like, I don't even know how much. It's like $500 or $600. So this one is actually, how much was it? Hold on. I know how much was it. I just need to convert it to US dollar for you guys. Yeah, it was almost $600. Almost $600. Yeah, it is. It is. I wanted to invest into a camera much earlier, so months ago now. But I feel like because at MyFundedTV also some other hosts are having some pretty good updated hardware, I was like, nah, I really want to, and not just because of that, but for you guys and for the stream. Like, it's an investment for the stream, just to have a better. I look 21, I know, just to have a better one. Yes, I am, by the way, just saying. I am able to deduct it, and actually that's the magic number. So I can 100%. I am 100% able. I have the receipt, everything. So $600 in Hungarian forint is 200,000 Hungarian forint. Is the magic number as far as I can deduct expenses as a private individual. Anything above 200,000, sorry, $600. It's a little bit tricky to deduct. The tax office would say that, okay, if I want to deduct more for one item, I can deduct more, but for one item. If I want to deduct more, I need to go on a different entrepreneurship level. So not as an individual, but as a small company or like that. But currently this one is going to go for my individual tax papers. Better content, better quality. Exactly. The one thing is that is the problem with the battery. It seems like that this one, while it's plugged to USB-C, it's charging the battery, but it's a very small battery, and it seems like everyone is saying that it's going to turn off. It can go on for like 3 hours, and then it's going to turn off, and that's a problem. So, but I can trick the system. There is a way to trick the system with a dummy battery, and it will charge better on the USB-C. Anyway, I'm not going to go into details, but the battery is going to be an issue. So honestly, maybe, who knows? I don't know how long is it going to stay turned on. I don't know. I gotta save taxes, by the way. Guys, you wouldn't believe how many smart things you can deduct if you're doing everything smart for your taxes. So yeah, this camera is definitely going to be deducted, 100% sure. And I'm going to buy a computer this year until the end of the year, because I can deduct it as well. The problem is only up to $600 as an individual. So I'm going to do my best. Anyway, you got to do it smart, man. You got to do it smart, because, you know, that's the way. That's the way. Vlogging, actually I want to start vlogging, not with this camera, by the way. This camera is strictly gonna stay for streaming and here in my studio. This is definitely gonna stay here for streaming. I'm going to invest into another camera for vlogging, by the way. I have an LLC. I do have an LLC, but I also am doing tax papers as an individual. So part of my income comes as a private individual because I just can't change it this year. So I have to go this year as an individual for some income. And I do have an LLC as well. So yes, there are income which is coming to an LLC. Yes, that's true. I said that, and that's true. Next year, there are going to be some changes. What should I do in Budapest in 3 days? I'm planning to visit my son, who is studying there for 1 semester. It will be the last week of December. Well, Zakti, so if you're in Budapest, obviously there are so many places to visit. Obviously, some good restaurants, some good sites in the city, you know. I can tell you some places when you'll be here. Just hit me up here on stream or send me an email, and I will send you a guide. You know, it depends on where you're staying around the city. Are you planning to move out from Budapest to look around, or you're gonna strictly stay there? Because, you know, I can tell you some places to go. It's really good. I mean, some really nice sites to see. When are you streaming your haircut? It's going to come. Don't worry, it's gonna happen. I'm working on the date and the schedule. It's going to happen. It's gonna happen, don't worry. Man, I have a feeling that we might not gonna see anything here until the news. So let me show you. Yeah, you guys see the gold trade here. Interesting. The good old gold trade. So about the NFP, we are expecting okay, positive numbers, right? Anyone wants to full port any accounts? Hey Vilike, hello Dazilek. Yeah, there are some nice places to visit, of course. Good morning, Steve Innit. Hello, I'm doing great. I love lemonade. I love lamp. Actually, I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna pull up the rollerblades on the window and let's see how the lights are. Okay, that's too much light. Okay, that's too much. All right, let's pull it down. All right, much better. Long or short or full porting? No full porting, Fizzlid. No. I do believe that NQ is going to skyrocket up there, by the way. That's what I think. I believe that's going to happen. And I don't know why I think gold is also... I mean, I do have my reason. There is a order block up there. I do have a gold position open. Not a big deal. But I'd like to see NQ go way up there. That would be great. That would be just awesome. So I think we can use this time And I wanted to use this time to check of what's happening with the superb magical indicators here. What are they showing so far? Nothing. Okay, that was simple. $360 today. Yeah, I think so too. I do like that level. 360, 330. Yeah, I'd like to see 360. There's a 15-minute supply zone up there, just, and it's almost technically, it's inside the 1 hour supply zone. I'd like to see it go. It would be great. If there would be no news, I would love to jump in on the break of this 128. But anyway, let's see quickly what happened. Okay. Not much. Not much, not much. Okay, yesterday was a bit of a roller coaster as well. What a day. All right. Sorry, I was just reading. Why are you streaming Boom Banana? Well, yeah, we have an FP. Mohit, good to see you. Week so far is a little bit weak. The week is weak. Yeah, Fizzled. So the thing, Boom Banana, is about the stream and the schedule and everything. So at MyFundedTV, I start now. So, you know, a couple of weeks ago, I started at 11:30 Eastern Standard Time. Hey, Victor, 11:30, which was good because I could start the market open at my channel here, right? So that was good. And I mean, now is good too. But I've been put to the start of the show, which is absolutely amazing with Terry and Nick. So, you know, I'm there from 9 to 10:30. And so after 10:30, I realized when I hop into my stream, I'm definitely having some trouble finding a proper setup, because statistically speaking, the majority of the setups that I'm looking for are already done until 10:30. So imagine, like, I finish up at 10:30 at MyFundedTV, then I go out, have a drink, whatever, I start to stream. That's an extra 10 minutes or 15 minutes until I start to shoot up the stream, and then I look for setups. So I'm already approaching 11 a.m. while I can look for something. And by 11 a.m., statistically speaking, the move is done, right? If we wanted to achieve something in the New York AM session, 70% of the time the move is done. So I just don't want to look and I don't want to watch paint dry in my stream after 10:30, because, you know, there's just nothing to do there. So I think it could be a better option, and that's why I'm testing the earlier stream, to look around for setups after 7 a.m. And I do believe that there are setups, and there are setups, by the way. The kill zone officially starts at 7 a.m. to until 7 a.m. to 11. So from 7 a.m. you can look for setups potentially. So why not? That's the thing. That's the thing that I'm looking for. Basically. Except for today, because everybody's waiting for NFP, right? I don't know. I mean, I won't say it's a promotion. I'm just extremely grateful for them that they have me on the show. I don't know for how long will I be there. I hope they can keep me for a little while longer. I really do love the community. There are really good traders there. The hosts are very good traders. Everybody is really nice. I can't tell you guys how grateful I am that it was basically the way I got to My Funded TV. I would say it was a little by chance, by the way. Smart man here. It's CPI report 8:30 for October. Now it's going to be the CPI report. I don't see the CPI. Is it going to be today or tomorrow? I don't see CPI report, but they're going to release it for October. Okay. Hey, Pigeon. Hello there. Bowser, good to see you, by the way. I'm not extremely good. I do thank you the kind words, but trust me, I'm not extremely good. Maybe the thing is that I tend to learn from my mistakes and I take small steps, and I don't know. But obviously, the one who is really printing the money is Matt Cowart. He is like a money printing machine. Really good. Like, right, he's absolutely like, he's the killer predator of the markets there. But otherwise, the others are good too. Everybody is great. Everybody is great. Which funding ticks eval is 1 day pass? Oh, clarity. I don't know by memory. I'm sorry. I don't want to say anything stupid. Don't say that, Tom. It is all skill and your calm demand. Oh, thank you for saying that, Jonathan. Thank you. Yo, Dominic, what's up? He's a legend, yeah. He's really genius. Sent me an email saying they will release it. What? They will release it? What they will? Oh, the news. Okay, sorry, the CPI news. Okay, that's interesting. Top step clearing activation. I think it's a good idea from them. Finally, they should have done it much earlier. Matt Cowart with a W, I think. Trader's Paradise, as you can find it on social media, on Rocket Scooter or Trader's Paradise, something like that, and you will find it. The news are gonna be here in 45 minutes, 46 minutes actually. Yeah, Matt Cowart, yes, with the W there, yeah. So yeah, he is absolutely a money printing machine. So my gold trade is at break even, not a big deal, and that's it. At open, depends on the news. Depends on the news, you know. It's really hard to say. Are we gonna see it dumping? Good question. I don't know. Your micro NQ yesterday with a print, yeah. Yeah, but this morning I chopped myself up here. I was in a long position, closed the long position. Then I entered the short, then I closed the short position, entered the long again, and then it went against me. So that's when I said, okay, this is it. It's just not good. So this morning I was just, I don't know. Should have seen that Asia low is going to be a target, but I didn't see. Yeah, the chop. Oh yeah, the long position that was here. I mean, I closed it. So I did hit the stop loss on the London session trades. I think so too. I agree, Dominic. I think so too. I have a very strong conviction, by the way, even though that gold went lower and definitely this was a dirty play, I have a very, very, very strong conviction that gold is going to hit that 15-minute supply zone. Or is it a 5-minute? Is it the 5 or a 15? Okay, 5. Sorry. That's a 5-minute supply. Actually, it's not a perfect one. Let me just say that. All right. So it's absolutely not a perfect one, but it's something is there. But the news, that could be interesting. Now we're just moving back up there to clear these highs. I think buy side liquidity is definitely above the 200s. If there would be no NFP news, I would be jumping in. I would definitely be jumping in. But it is what it is. Not much you can do. No winner. I'm sorry. Yeah, Mirai. So no winners, unfortunately. No winners. Oh my god, look at this. What if I pull the trigger here? Go to 28. All right, I jumped into a long position on NQ. One single micro, hashtag for NFP, right? I want to see how this momentum is going to go. No original gangsta. I'm not yellowing those accounts. No, that's not the thing. Yeah. This is going to be interesting for sure. Oh, not there. Okay, that's fine. That is good. Let's just see how it goes. Ah, I see. Okay. You guys are waiting for me to pick you guys. Okay. I got it. All right. All right. I feel it. All right. Yeah, grab some water. All right, yeah, I'll try to remember all your names. All right, I will do my best. Pinky promise, I will do my best. Yeah, let's see what it does. Let's see how far this will go. You're long since 92. Awesome. Well, it doesn't matter. It's paper or not. Hey, Mirai. Hey, thank you so much. Thank you for the kind words. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Man, I don't say that. I'm gonna blush here. Thank you, man. Hey, I wish you all the success in your journey. All the success. You know, stay with us here in MyFunded TV as well, and you know, learn the information as much as you can. It's gonna be a long journey for everybody, for me, for everyone who is in this business, but hey, it's a beautiful business, by the way. It's one of the best out there. Got huge volatility. Yeah, we'll see what happens, Dominic. So this is one of the best businesses out there, Mirai. So that is why it's so good to be in this business. Yeah. Let's see. Are we going higher or not? What is going on with TradingView? Okay. Hey, Gabor is here. Hello, üdvözöllek. A fellow Hungarian trader just dropped in. Jól köszönöm szépen. Remélem, hogy te is jól vagy. Mi újság Floridában? Yeah, we're getting in that range again. Everybody's getting ready for the news release. News. Nice. Got a question. I got one account with MyFundedFutures, a 50k core funded. Should I try to target to achieve live account? Well, it's up to you. This question is up. I mean, this is up to you, Dominic. What is your goal in business or in trading? I mean, if I were you, regardless where I am in my journey, I would definitely take a payout or two, maybe. But even if my goal is to go to live accounts, I would definitely take some payout at least once or twice, you know, and slowly building up to that live account. So, you know, Dominic, it's up to you, really. But yeah, take something out. Jó idő van? Nagyon jó. Emlékszem, a hurikán mekkora problémát csinált, remélem sikerült mindent szépen újra megoldani, arra felé letisztítani, felépíteni. All right, let's check on gold. All right. Look at that. Look at that. Let's go, gold. Let's go. Just a small position. So 1 micro. I know, but you know me, guys. I'm just going with very small, tiny, wincy positions. That's what I do. No stress. Small baby steps. I actually wanted to pick. I wanted to ask Ash about his risk management. I will ask him next time. He does a great risk management, I think. Imagine Ash is on the same account for more than 6 months, taking multiple payouts every single month, and the balance is over almost at $50,000. Now that's a real trader. That's real trading right there. I love it. That's just amazing. That is really amazing. Gold is gonna hit the TP, hopefully. I don't know. Come on. Hit it, gold. Just hit it. We need the TP. Come on. Ah, not this. Ah, what I did. Okay, there you go. I'm messing around with the window here. Are you kidding me? All right, that's better. Come on, gold. Go for it. Playing mind games here. Come on, go. Go. Please, just go. Oh, it's not going. Why is it not going for the zone? Start my account about today with 8%. Nice, let's go, Pare. That's amazing. Minden tuti, super. Na, az nagyon jó. Az nagyon jó. Na, ez nagyon szuper, hogy az állam segít nektek. Ez szuper. Hotspot FX, hello. Ó, te vagy Gábor, te is Gábor vagy, mindannyian Gáborok vagytok. Hello. Yeah, I gotta do something with these custom handles. I don't know why YouTube is doing this. I really don't know. You know, at this point, I think I'm just gonna leave this. I'm gonna leave my stuff as it is. Ash is a soldier. He is, truly. He's definitely, like, imagine how or where he gets all that discipline. That's amazing, right? That's amazing. Albert, good morning. Dominic, you're not bothering me, but will we get Discord? Yes, we will. We will get Discord by 26. Peter, good to see you, man. Hey, how you doing, Peter? Well, it's not over until it's not over. So, you know, anything can happen. The thing is, we are expecting the news, right? I'm also long on NQ. Where's my NQ trade? Where's my NQ trade here? Oh, here it is. So here's the NQ trade. Are you joking me? I closed down all my positions. I closed down my positions accidentally. Are you joking me? I closed everything down. No way. At least I closed it in positive. You know why? I was messing around with the with this window here, and this is the position window. I'm always sliding it around for you guys to see my position. And there's a button here. If you misclick it, there's a button. You see close positive. You see it here? So I was holding on to this tab here, and accidentally the mouse somehow slid over to close positive, and I closed it. I closed both my trades because this is Quantower's position window. So you can close all your trades, even if you're not copy trading. You can close them, you know, as you want. So close all negative order trades, close positive, close selected ones, close all. And there's a separate tab here when you can cancel the orders or whatever. Man. What a... Oh my gosh. I closed it. Anyway. This is a rough day. It definitely is. Anyway, the gold trade just would have hit the TP right here. So it's actually a win. So it's a win. Gold hit the TP right there. Beautifully going into the zone here. Nice. Very nice. It's just one micro, so not a big deal. Yeah, let me read the chat. Oh my god, how can I mess up? Like, this day is like, no, this is not something I'm proud of. Definitely not. But hey, maybe it's better this way. Look at NQ. Oh my god. Okay, on NQ my final TP was at 28. My final TP was at 28. Actually, let me put this down. That was my final TP. Let's see if it gets it or not. What a bummer. Well, we made profit at least, right? So I can't complain. Yeah, when it's not your day, the only thing that you can do is accept it. You know, you accept it. It's fine. Try to look the positive way. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Shouldn't be messing around with the buttons here. That's unlucky. Get back in undersell under the price. Yeah, so the gold trade is done. I'm not gonna get back in. I'm just gonna leave it here. That's fine. Win is a win. Yeah, it's fine. It's, you know, it's fine. If by some reason Faith wanted this way or the adjustment bureau wanted this way, I don't care. It's fine. It's fine. Gold pumped. Yeah. I was looking for this move earlier in the London session. I really wanted to go long. I got stopped out on gold. No, I didn't even take a trade on gold. Sorry, I was not taking a trade on gold. I was just looking to take a trade on gold. Yes, if we invert this fair value gap. So we did. Somewhere around here, right? Here, not so much. It got rejected. It got inverted here, and finally, anyway, it's fine. NQ trade, so far so good. They moved the window. Yeah, they did. Usually, yeah, that's what happens. Anyway, I'm not unhappy. I'll take it. I'll take it anytime. Let me adjust my connection tab here. Okay. Okay. The background music, it's AI. AI music all around the place because of copyright issues. Usually, right? I didn't even know. Okay. So yeah, it's Suno.com, which they say that it's they're gonna get sued because Suno is using real sounds and sound bits from real artists' songs, which I don't know. But anyway, so far I don't have copyright issues with YouTube ever since I'm using AI music. So 2.5% target per week. It's terrible, Dominic. Yeah, this is what you guys hearing is full AI music. I generated it. Like, I can generate more music in a minute. If you guys want to, actually we can do some AI music together. How about that? You guys want it? We can do some AI music. I can use ChatGPT. Also, if you want your names in the song, if you want your names in the song, okay. So how about that? This is gonna be excellent. All right, while we're waiting for the news. Hey, Curry Fishbowl, what's up? It's Suno.com. Let me how do they write? What's the Suno.com? Suno. This is the website. All right. Yeah, I'm doing the early streams now. Need to grow the set bonus. Yeah, I mean, you gave up your copyright. Hey, by the way, I did get a copyright email. You know, I think it was many months ago. You said you put in we should put in your jazz music, and then at the end of the day or next day, I got an email from YouTube like, hey, I don't have copyright for that song. That was interesting. Let's see. I don't know where it is. Actually, this is just automatic generated, so I think I actually deleted it. All right, let's create a song. Song description. It should be what should it be? Hip hop, R&B, upbeat, synthwave, rock and roll, heavy metal, techno, trance. What should it be? Yeah, okay. What kind of music should it be? Trance. Okay. Trance music. Techno. Okay. Heavy metal. Okay. All right. You know what? Okay. I'm generating the song. Hold on. This is going to be interesting. Okay. It's happening. It's happening. It's creating the song, everybody. This is going to be amazing. Yes, they have $148. $148. All right, you guys want to listen to the music? It's ready. It's ready.
Welcome back to the stream. Market's warming up. Discount codes flying harder than NQ when it pumps. Chat's already wild and I ain't even touched the mouse. Somebody tell Dominic the Discord might drop by 2026. Maybe. I gave her saying you'll regelt, windows open, breeze tight. Boo banana in the chat like Tom, we up a lot tonight. Paraflexing 8%, waiting for the bell to ding. Mirage calling Ash a soldier, double B, no brakes on that thing. Gold pumping, port longing straight into NFP mode. Need a Ferrari Budapest if this thing goes right. I'll cry together, live on stream by the end of the night. Tom trades clean, chat says nice posy, then price it, snooze and trolls him like it's paparazzi. Bro, you're making too much, they move the window on you. If the candle hits 200 points, Dominic's deleting his view. Hot shots Gabber again, plot twist of the day. Mirage laughing on Opus, Tom exits the play. It's a rough day, Paris says, but we still stay green, because even 0.5% is basically a win-win-win. Dominic doing math like 2.5% weekly, 2% maybe, I don't know, bro. Meanwhile, Pigeon's vibing. I taking over the world, though. Music in the background slaps. Someone asking Tom what site makes AI tracks, and Boris says artists need balls. He gave a copyright way back. TOMSABO, codes in the chat like a flashing tornado.
Okay, so this is... There's another one also.
Yo. Welcome back to the stream.
Anyway, we're gonna get back to this one later. All right, okay. Sorry. We're gonna generate some music for next time as well. That was cool, right? I'm not sleeping. Hey, what's up, everybody? That was what I did. I just pasted the chat into... I did nothing, basically. I just pasted the chat into the AI, and I told it like what kind of music we want to hear, and it just did this all by itself. I did no adjustments. I did nothing with it. It's just what I just copied the chat into AI, and that's what came out. Unemployment claims in 1 minute. In 10 minutes, right? 10 minutes. Yeah. All right, this is good. Wanted to check the sound quality. Okay. Gerald, hello. What's happening? Good to see you. Yeah, it happens. Good to see you, Devadeep. Yeah, getting AI is doing its best, you know. All right, 8 minutes. Gold reached that level, which is nice. We like it. That was a cool one. Let's get it. For 45k, how big of a house can you buy in Hungary? Basically nothing. You have to move to a small village and you might gonna buy a 50-year-old house, which you have to spend another 45k. Basically. But you can buy, but not in the capital. So in a small town, in a very small town, you can buy something for that money. Yes, you can. No, I mean, no troll. So the thing is, you can buy, but you have to spend an additional 40k on that house. But you can move in. So for 45k in a very small town, not in the capital, but somewhere, you know, you can buy. Of course, pretty good house actually, but you know, still have to spend some time. The name is Freddy. Hello. What's up? Yeah, it's NFP watch party right now. Exactly. That's what we're doing. It's the official NFP watch party. Yeah, I don't know what the heck is going on. NQ and gold hand in hand. What's up with that? Yeah, so you can buy a very poor house somewhere in a small village, or I'm not saying in a bad place, but definitely not in a how do they say it? So not at a bigger city, but you can buy. Yeah, there are many smaller towns or villages, beautiful places, by the way, but no real infrastructure, and you can buy a house for that money. Yes. Oh really? Wow, Devadeep. Yeah, we still have time, So yeah, less than 4 minutes now. Believe me, not in real life. Come on. Hey Tom, oh, what just happened? Oh no, the camera turned off. That's what I was afraid of. Okay, so I froze, everybody. This is the problem. So the problem is with the camera is that yeah. The problem is that this is how far I got with the camera. I froze, I know. Let's see, video capture device. Yeah, it's gone. So we have to get back to the old one. Yeah, it turned off. I have to do something with the battery charge here. I can't. The problem is it's not about plugging it back. The problem is that the problem is with the recharge. I gotta get a better battery. So for now, I think we're gonna go with the old webcam. Let me just set it back. Yeah. Yeah, this is the old webcam. Yeah, I had to switch to the old webcam. How can I make it work properly? I wonder. How would that be possible? All right, let's get ready, everybody. Let's get ready to rumble. Well, there should be an effect for sure. Let's see. Should be going for the 228. Oh, somewhere around there. All right, here we go. Let's see. All right. Any success for anyone? That was a bit of a weird situation. I think it might go higher. What's the number? Oh, wow. It's very positive. All right. Taking a long position here. All right. Going for 228. 230 actually. Long position engaged. Small long position. I might see a retracement here, but that's all right. we should be hitting that level. Come on. Come on. Hit it. There you go. All right. All right. We hit that. Up to the zone. Nice. What happened with gold? Oof. Ooh, yeah, gold shook out everyone here. Gold shook out everyone. Yeah. So I saw the number. It's extremely positive. At least I was expecting that it will spike up to that zone, which it did. I think it will, maybe it will pull back a little bit, should be going higher, or even if it sweeps the low here, I'd love to see it go higher. Yeah, but this was kind of cool. How's my connections? Easiest in your journey. Let's go. Dr. Norbert Kopas, hello. A fellow Hungarian trader. Thanks for joining us. Welcome to the stream. All right. All right, just setting up some stuff here. Yeah, GG. This was it. Wow, look at the gold. All right, everybody, I'm gonna sign off. I'm gonna have to change the settings on this webcam and do something about the battery. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be at MyFundedTV shortly. All right, in about 25 minutes. Thank you for the likes and subscriptions. Yeah, I'd like to go bullish, but we'll see what goes on. So thank you again. If you would like to support the channel, please don't forget to use the code TOMSABO. MyFundedFutures gives 20% discount on the 50K Pro account now. Check out the other prop firms as well. Apex, Bulenox, Funded Futures Network, buy one, get one for free. Lucid Trading. What else? We have TRADEIFY and FUNDINGTICKS as well, and all the others. We have quite a few. Thank you so much. I appreciate everything. Thank you for the support. God bless you all. I'll be at MyFundedTV shortly. God bless.